Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Hey there, friends. Welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw a fish. Okay, so before we get started on this fish, let's make sure we have the colors we need in order to start and complete this drawing. So, as always, we'll need black. That's our outline color. We're also going to need 4 shades of green. We'll need a red, and we'll need a light blue. Okay, so 1 black, 4 green, 1 red, 1 blue. Lots of colors today, so go grab them and come on right back. So, let's get started on this fish. About 1/4 of the way down the paper, towards the left side, about right here, we're going to do a curve that starts and ends like that. Okay, because our fish is going to be turning to the side. So we're going to come down, over, and back, and that's going to be the tail of our fish. Okay, and then we're going to need to do another curve, kind of like this big one here, but much smaller, and it's going to come kind of down like that. Okay, and then because it is turning, let's give some definition to some of the parts of this fish. So like have this kind of curve going like that. And then we'll do a little bit more under the face here. Okay, so the top of the fish needs to connect with the bottom. So we're gonna skip a little bit. That's where the eye is gonna be. We're gonna come down, we're gonna come over, we're gonna come up, back like that. And that's gonna be the face of our fish, okay? And let's give it a mouth. So starting just to the right of this curve piece here, we're gonna come over and around. We're gonna give it a little hook there for the face to show the smile. We'll come down and over, and then we'll close it off. Okay, there we go. And then 2 little half circles that kind of overlap. That's going to be the tongue, and then we'll pretty much follow this upper curve to show the top, and the bottom of the teeth, and we'll color that in with our black outline color. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to curve this edge here in a little bit, and so kind of go like that. So that's going to be the bottom of our eye, and let's give a little half circle there, and then we'll give another half circle beside it, and then we'll do another curve underneath it. Okay, and then we'll do some partial circles on the left side of this and fill those in because that fish is going to be looking in this direction. Okay, got some stray marks over here. Let's get rid of those. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is give it some gills and give it some fins. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 big gill over here, and then I need to draw a little line right here and give this fin right there. And that's the one on the fish's left, and so we need to give one on his other side. So similar kind of shape. And then 2 lines that go into the body of the fish. Okay, now let's continue to give it a little bit more definition. We'll give a curve line there to separate the top and the bottom of the fish. And then let's give it some awesome fins here, like that, and give another little set here on the bottom. And then for each point of the fins, I want to put a line that kind of goes back into the fish. There we go. Okay, and the last thing we want to do is give some warbly little wobble bubbles for air. There we go. Okay, so now it's time to color. So starting with our super light green, let's just do that across the belly of the fish. Just a little line right here. That's it. That's all we're going to do with that super light green. And then the next green we're going to do is going to follow this line that you did here. And it's going to go all the way down to the bottom of the fish here. It's going to come along the inside, underneath the fin, and around. Okay. It's going to kind of follow this line as if it was going through here. It'd go there right there. And then next we want to go underneath the mouth here and kind of curve up. And then we'll follow the mouth line here and then curve up into there. And so everything below that is going to get colored in that green. So I'm going to fast forward here, and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so we've used this second green quite a bit. The next thing I want to do, I want to add a little bit up to the top fins. So let's say go up, follow that top ridge, and we just kind of follow it. You don't have to be super precise here. I'm just trying to give this top fin 2 different colors because I'm going to give it a second color in just a minute. There we go. And the same with this bottom one. There we go. Okay, okay, so let's grab that third green. And for this third green, that's going to be where it connects to the very, very top, except for like a little wobbly bit. So I want to come like this. I want to give like a little wobble line down the back of my fish. Okay, and then I need to color in this bottom tail here. Okay, go up and around. We're going to skip over the eyes. We're not going to color those eyes in. We're going to come down. We're going to connect up with that green that we just did. Okay. We're not going to get this fin here. We're going to leave that for the darkest green. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this bit, and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, and then next thing I want to do is I want to use the last little bit to color in this blank space I have in each of these fins. Okay, there's that one. And there we go. Okay, now the last thing I need to do as far as coloring the body of the fish is I need to grab that darkest green, and that's going to be this wobbly bit on the back here. Okay. And this fin. And this fin. Okay, and then depending on what you're using to color with, if you've got something that'll go onto this darker color here, we're going to do, I think I'm just going to do some spots. Like that, down the body. Okay, now the last thing I need to do for this fish itself is to use the red for its mouth to give that tongue some color. And then the very last color we have outside of the fish is going to be this light blue color. And I'm going to use that to color in the bubbles here. There you go. Okay, great job, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Goodbye. Whoa, whoa, make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.